Maximizing value. Understanding cost-effective choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very practical and useful phrase, cost-effective. This term is not just a buzzword in business but a principle that can apply to everyday decisions. Let's unpack what it means, why it's important, and how you can use it in both professional and personal contexts. Stay tuned to master the art of making cost-effective choices. Cost-effective refers to an action or purchase that provides the best possible value or benefit for the money spent. It's not just about being cheap or low cost. It's about maximizing efficiency and getting the most out of your investment. Whether it's a product, a service, or a method, if it's cost-effective, it means you're achieving your desired outcome without wasting resources. Why should we care about being cost-effective? In a world with limited resources, making cost-effective decisions helps us to save money, time, and effort, all while achieving our goals. For businesses, this can mean the difference between profit and loss. For individuals, it means making the most of what we have, whether it's choosing an affordable yet durable smartphone or opting for energy-efficient appliances that save on utility bills over time. Let's look at some examples to better understand this concept. In personal finance, buying a slightly more expensive appliance that uses less electricity and lasts longer is more cost-effective than buying a cheaper model that will need to be replaced sooner. In business, investing in quality employee training might seem costly upfront but can be more cost-effective in the long run by reducing turnover and improving productivity. In everyday life, cooking meals at home is often more cost-effective than eating out. You save money and gain the benefit of healthier, customizable meals. Making cost-effective choices involves analyzing the long-term benefits versus the initial costs. Here are a few tips. Compare options. Look at the cost versus the benefits of different choices. Think long-term. Consider the longevity and sustainability of your decision. Evaluate quality. Sometimes, paying a bit more for better quality can be more cost-effective over time. Seek efficiency. Choose options that offer more benefits with less waste. Understanding and applying the concept of being cost-effective can make a significant difference in how we manage our resources. Whether you're running a business, planning your personal finances, or just trying to make smarter choices in your daily life, keeping the principle of cost-effectiveness in mind can lead to better outcomes. We hope this video has illuminated the value of being cost-effective and how you can apply it in various aspects of your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.